What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be trading live today NFP starting with USD CAD. Looks very volatile today. There is a high impact news release, as you can see. Non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, quite a few high impact news release. Extremely volatile market. USD CAD, we will be trading live in front of you. Just after an hour there will be a high impact news release, and in this live session we will be trading, and you'll see you can trade with us if you want to trade, and you'll see how we are trading. Make sure you stick till the end of this video, and also make sure that you smash the like button and also you hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's start with USD CAD, guys and girls. In the meantime, you can write down on the right side on a chat area what you expect from me, what you are thinking. Now USD CAD is highly volatile today. As you have seen, that the price came to this very important level of support here. Okay, this is a very important level of support. As now just 1 hour later there will be news release. I could buy from here USD CAD, to be honest, but I didn't do it because I want to see that NFP is being released. And just now I have posted analysis on TradingView. Maybe you have seen that how this could behave, and the price is doing exactly as it is moving out from here. And I think that what it will do, it will come back again today, and I am in the buy side, but not now. Let the news release, things become settled at just in the first 4-hour candle at just 1.5 hour from now. I will be entering a trade on USD CAD. So let's see how it does. First, let it slaughter all the stop loss below this level. I think that it will come back to this level, maybe testing this 20 period moving average, coming back down, and then we'll go up and shoot to the upside. So we could catch a good move on USD CAD, but we need to wait for it. Okay, sometimes I lose trade because of I also sometimes become impatient. So it's a learning process. Trading is a journey, it's not a destination. Every trader, great trader, the JC Livermore, he is one of the greatest trader in the history. In his later life, he made millions of dollars in almost 100 years ago. $1 million is huge money, but still he struggled at some point in his life. Every trader like that. So that's why it's not a destination, it's a learning process. Every day all my students learn, I also learn from them. I don't have an ego. I can't say that I am Superman and 100% accurate. Sometimes I make mistake, but I learn from it. I don't quit. I don't take a big risk, but I learn from it and I progress to the destination. That's why I'm so confident and profitable as a trader. So now you see that USD CAD, let me tell you that this 2 doji, okay, this 2 doji is a very high area of value, and you see this 4-hour doji just came to this level, but it didn't touch it. So what I think that during this high impact news release in NFP, USD CAD will come down, break this doji, and then maybe coming even to this level, and then will shoot up. And that's what this will be doing today in this live trading session. So what I will be doing is I will be with you going to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame during the news release. When the news release will be settled, then we might find a nice trading opportunity, as long as we find proper price action pattern, proper confirmation for going long, then we will be considering going long with USD CAD. So now let's see who is on the chat. Kakulan, thank you for joining. Pawin, hello sir, thank you. Pawin. Purity, hello, thank you. Purity. Asuk Sumon, hi coach, thank you. Asuk. Jabir, Justin, projects, quite a few of you. Pound, euro, dollar, euro, CAD side. Yeah. Shiba, hi wizard, thank you. Shiba. Adian, thank you. Grandson, I want to show you USD Monday next week, but fear the news on USD. Yeah, wait for the news release. Jonathan, good afternoon. Projects, gold. So let's find out one by one how we can find a trading opportunity. First of all, let's start with gold. Okay, USD CAD, we have already seen that we are waiting for the news release. How the gold is doing, as you can see that gold has came to this very important level of support here. Now we see that the price action is creating like that, and as yesterday's live streaming, as you know that what I said during the gold, I think that gold will go up and close here. That looks like that is what it is doing. Gold might go to the point where it has opened and may closed here where gold has started. So we might see a nice trading opportunity on gold as well. So let's see what happened today after this rejection from the 20 period moving average. We have seen that gold came down, now again boost pushing the price high. So it looks like that it is trying to reverse from here, as we kind of head and shoulder has been created on gold, and I think that let's see, it might start to move up, or it will go up close somewhere here. As I told you, on the weekly we might see that gold has created a doji here maybe, okay, and then from there we might see that gold again pushing down. So let's see, but at this point, until news release, we are not trading gold, nothing until news release, but we will be analyzing everything. We'll prepare for the news release as soon as the news will be released, and then we can trade everything. Okay, GBP JPY as well, it's creating kind of, it's so far bearish, but it might create a bullish pattern. Why? Let me show you. So GBP JPY, it's a overall it's a bullish market, right? You see that this is a strong bullish market, and early next week, as soon as the market will open, we might find a bullish trading opportunity on GBP JPY. Okay, so this weekly candle, you see this is remaining within this zone, and if this GBP JPY closed inside this previous week's long week, then we might see that GBP JPY just moving from this trend line. And I think that today during the NFP, because during NFP all the pairs become volatile, GBP JPY might test this 20 period moving average, and then we might see a bounce, and next week we might see it is continuing. So if we can catch this trade on GBP JPY, it could be a big trade. Why? Because see, this is the weekly doji here. You see there is a weekly level of support. This doji has created nice level of support. There is another long week candle. Now this one, looks like that it might just test the trend line and will remain within this. And the next week, what will happen? The price will start to push up. Maybe we'll go around 50% of this long week of GBP JPY. Now go to the 4-hour time frame. This is what it is. During this news release, let me draw this trend line again, then you will see that how GBP JPY can give you a nice trading opportunity. That's what I told yesterday also. So this is the daily support level, very important level of support. Why? First of all, see, when you see a bull market, always think of buying. Okay, it's a good idea. Now today you saw that this is the daily candle today, and what I think that what it will do, you see that if you extend this daily trend line, you see this is what it is. This is a nice trend line on the daily, and this is a long-term bullish market GBP JPY. As you can see that the price, there is a resistance here, there is a resistance here, this level acted as a support here, support here. Now what I think that GBP JPY, what it might do, that today it will come down on the lower time frame, test this one, will create a reversal pattern, and then will start to push up. So because it's a long-term bullish, always bias to the bull side, like GBP JPY and dollar yen, the same thing. USD JPY, you see that this is the daily candle closed with a bullish candle yesterday also. That's what I told in my live streaming. If you can remember, when this candle was forming, that's what I told, that dollar yen might create inverted head and shoulder, and that is what exactly it did, created an inverted head and shoulder, and now we see the dollar yen trying to push high. Now if you have seen that live stream, then smash the like button And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is the trading channel, live trading session every day, live streaming. If you don't want to miss that, then hit the subscribe button so that you can participate in this live session, because there is a lot of valuable content in my channel, as well as from here you will find a lot of things, you will learn a lot of things, you will gain a lot of things. At the same time, you will give us a lot of things. You want your knowledge also to share with all the trading community who are watching this stream and in this platform. So let's see. Shefali, hello sir. Miraz Zahir, Miraz, thank you. After a long time, I think you are in a holiday. Good. Chinji, hello sir. Kindly analyze gold, please. We'll do Mary. Every good ever sir, just watched your new video. Thank you, Mary. Moving average, thank you. No problems, Mary. Udiana, thank you. Ethereum, USD, I will look at crypto as well. Ramzan, Kenneth, Anna, thank you for joining. NZD USD, yeah. Anna, Dante James, yeah. Dante Ulder, Bada. We saw quite a few have joined. Very good. Irene, good day, coach. Thank you, Irene. Alan James, thank you. Kakulan, Eurocat, yep, we'll do all of them. Jonathan, thank you. Dante James, Bumaya, thank you, all of you, for participating this live trading session. So let's find out one by one. Gold, as we have discussed now, gold looks like that. It's nicely you see gold, what it did, that if you understand, then it's easier for you to predict the market. You see the gold has created this pattern. Let me replay this chart, then you will understand how these things work. You see, first of all, this is 4 hour time frame, right? This candle broke out of this consolidation, right? How you will map the market, that you'll know. And then let's replay what happened. Gold opened with a gap. Okay, gold opened with a gap and then started to push up. You see, again, when the price came back here, you see what it did. Look at the two lines here. You see exactly here and here. Okay, so why gold did this one here and there? Because you see, this is a dynamic support, and also this is the trend line resistance, and this is the best way to trade a market when you want to trade on a retest. See, the price normally, when any kind of reversal pattern you see the price move, you will find that the price finally will come back to that reversal pattern to test this, both of this support and resistance, both of them. Okay, so this is very important that you keep in mind. Always keep in mind, when you see a reversal pattern, you will see that the price will come back to the level of support and resistance. Now at this point, from here, I think that gold will push up again, maybe along this trend line. Okay, along this trend line, it will go up again here, maybe closing here on the weekly, and from here we will see another drop. I think so. Okay, I could be wrong at any point, in any single trade, at any analysis. I can't say that I'm a Forex wizard. In most cases, my analysis come true, you have seen, but sometimes I get wrong. So don't take a big risk based on what I say. Always use your own knowledge, use analysis, and use my analysis as a reference. When you see confirmation with your own analysis, that's great. Do the job. Otherwise, don't trust too much on me. Don't place too much trust on me. Take my analysis as an education. And also use your own analysis. This is very important that as a trader you realize it. So Nishubas, sir, please make video on trading psychology. Yeah, thank you, Nishubas. I'll do in the weekend. I'll do one more. Jonathan, short GBP CAD from 1 point. I will look at GBP CAD. When Alexandra, GBP AUD, please. Bada Bidaya, GBP AUD. So let's look at GBP pairs. Let's look at the news again. So at 10:30 Sydney time, it's now 9:45. We will have a USD CAD news release. Now USD CAD means USD CAD plus all the pairs with USD, all the pairs with CAD will be very, very volatile. So might find a good trading opportunity. I think that it will be a good idea for us now to stick to USD CAD as well as all the pairs with USD, all the pairs with the CAD. Okay, so let's quickly do a short list on this. AUD CAD, let's forget about AUD CHF. We'll only look at all the pairs with USD and all the pairs with CAD. Okay, so let's find out Euro CAD, Euro GBP. Quickly, let's Euro dollar, so that our search, or let's forget about GBP AUD, because okay, keep it. I saw the same, many of you are requesting GBP CAD, GBP JPY also volatile. Let's keep it. Gold, let's keep it. NZD CAD, okay, NZD USD. Silver, we'll make a short list. Silver, US 100, US 30, they are also volatile during the news release. USD CAD, very volatile now. USD CHF, USD CNHS, dollar yen, USD Mexican peso, USD Turkish lira, USD ZAR, okay, US oil. Let's make a short list on this one and we'll focus on this pair only. And I have an idea, guys and girls. I see that every one of you watching my live stream. That's really good. Let me give you thought. Do you like to do some days, because most of my analysis based on, you see that 4 hour, sometime I go to the 15 minutes. Do you love to trade on 15 minutes at some day in some period, that only focusing on trade on 15 minutes? Let me know in the chat section how many of you want. If many of you want, then I'll slowly will focus on that one as well. So USD ZAR has given a nice bullish opportunity. Okay, this is a bullish, this is a strongly bullish market, and this price action is a bullish price action. Okay, this is a nice bullish price action. You see there is a this candle, this yesterday I tried to post an analysis but I couldn't get time. USD ZAR, if you look at the monthly time frame, what you saw, that this is, you see the previous months USD ZAR has created a strong bullish engulfer. Okay, USD ZAR, and after that what you saw, this see the USD ZAR came to this very important level of support. Why it is an important level of support? See, higher time frame, I'll show you why you need to look at the higher time frame first before even trading in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So what do you see, that USD ZAR from this monthly support have been bounced. You see there is a bounce here. So because this is a highly bullish market, what we might see that USD ZAR even could explode to the upside. Sometimes it does. USD ZAR could explode to the upside even, but it, as I told you, trading is not guaranteed. Okay, at any point from this resistance it may bounce. Okay, we don't know, but probability that it will go up. So let's see on the weekly now. Now weekly, I have more now confluence to consider. You see the previous week we saw a weekless candle. Okay, this week the price broke this weekless candle, and from this weekless candle we see that the price now picking up. Okay, the price is picking up means, see, when you see the price broken weekless candle and then pushing above, that means that USD ZAR is now creating a push to the upside. So let's see on the daily. Now daily we have a little more confluence. What is this? Look at this. Today I have released a video on 20 period moving average. Guys and girls, don't miss it. Watch that. See, this is what exactly I told you, that there is a 20 period moving average. When it is extended period of time, 20 period moving average is not tested. The price, when it will come and hit, it will reverse, and exactly from there USD ZAR reversed. Okay, I have in my VIP training program, I have a completely strategy to trade this kind of market on a trending market. You can check it out. It's in my website. You can visit my website to see if you can want to join it. But the thing is that when you see this kind of bullish momentum from this very important level of support, see, this dotted line is a monthly level of support, and we saw a strong bullish engulfer. Okay, so now the thing is that where you will enter, if you enter a bullish trade from here, okay, keeping a stop loss here, I don't think that you can take more than 1 to 1. Okay, You can take 1 to 2, but you have to wait for a very long period of time. But if you can find a proper entry along this zone with a tight stop loss, you can take 1 to 3, 1 to 5 risk to reward. So to do that, what I think that, you know, during this high impact news release, there could be this one also will be volatile, and at that time I think that USDZAR might come to this level to test this. You see why? Because this red candle, there is a doji here. Okay, this is the top of this red candle, and the price came down, went above. This is basically on the lower time frame. You will find a reversal pattern here, and this is the top of this reversal pattern. And I think that the USDZAR, the price will come back to this level, you know, and then will push up from here. Okay, so let's see on the 4-hour time frame how it looks like. Okay, this is the situation with the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see that this is the top of this reversal pattern. When you see there is a reversal pattern here, the price drop created this, you know, a fake head and shoulder. I love to see this kind of fake head and shoulder. When you see a strongly bullish or bearish market, in most cases you will see a fake head and shoulder. So this is a fake head and shoulder. The price, you know, broke this head and shoulder down and then pushed above. Now at this point, this resistance, this fake head and shoulder now can act as a support. Resistance here, support here, and I think that high probability that USDZAR will come here. Okay, test this 20 period moving average, because there is a crossover also 20 period and 10 period moving average. That's what also I discussed in my video. Jump onto my YouTube channel, watch that, or in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed yet, must subscribe. There is always I release some content that will really definitely help you in your trading. So USDZAR, what did that, you see this resistance, I think that the price will come here to test this as a support, and from here it might shoot to the upside. So this kind of pattern is created in USD CAD as well. Okay, so USD CAD as well did the same pattern. So let's see what's on the chat. Alan James, GBP AUD, sir, yeah, your GBP purity. Dante James, please, you promised to do a video how to set a pending order. Okay, Dante, in the weekend I will do a complete video on all kind of pending order, and also I'll do a video on how you shouldn't miss a trade when you are putting a pending order. It's very important. I saw that in my early time also. I missed a lot of trade putting the pending order in the wrong place, or maybe in a place where too early or too late. So putting the pending order in the right place is very, very important, and I will share with you everything I know about it this weekend. Keep eye on it. Alexandra, can you analyze Euro CHF and Euro CAD, please? Yeah, we'll do. Bumaya, thank you. Sometimes 15 minutes. Yeah, Bumaya will do that. And yes, would like, thank you, no problems. We'll do the just till 15 minutes trade, please. Yep, we'll do the Charles Noni. Let's stick to 4 hour as more accurate. Yep, so we'll do, you know, we'll do a shuffling in everything. At some point we'll look at 15 minutes as well when there is a market volatile, because when there is volatile you can do it. Okay, at some point. Sir, any education from you is always welcome. Thank you, Shafali. Mary, yes, sir, can you teach us also day trading on 15 minutes time frame? Yep, Mary, definitely we'll do that. Slowly will evolve in many things. So let's say I use 15 minutes most of the time when I trade, and it is so much clear. Psychology lesson will be full. Thank you, no problem, Mary, my guru. So let's see, many of you are participating this chat. That's look very, very good. Very, very happy I am to be here with you. And now let's go back to USD CAD, because I'm really, really excitedly waiting for USD CAD to give me a good good entry point on this one. Let's see 15 minutes what USD CAD is doing. Okay, so this is the situation with 15 minutes, you know. So what it might do in this 15 minutes time frame, you see the price has created a nice reversal pattern, and during this news release, what it might do, that after, you know, let's say 10:30 news release, we might see one big candle coming here along this zone. Okay, maybe along this zone, and then we might see that candle is pushing up, and I want to catch that candle. okay, the one that will come during the news time. So the thing is that during this news release, if the price come back here, then I will be buying. Okay, I will keep my stop loss below all this low. Okay, so that means that if I, let's say if I risk how many 6 to 8 pip or 10 pip, let's say if I risk overall 10 pip, even it could come here to test this. Let's say if I risk, I will risk around 12 pip, and if I hold the trade until until here, we can easily go here. This is 15-minute chart, right? We might see next week the price is moving to here, so we might at least catch 85 pip on USD CAD. At least we can catch 85 pip. So it could be, but in the 15 minutes you see the price is creating a nice reversal pattern, guys and girls. You see, look at this candle here, this one. This is a bullish candle. Let me explain what kind of pattern is this. Who are trading on 15 minutes, see, time frame doesn't matter, as long as you know the pattern, how the price action is forming. Any time frame you can be profitable, either 15 minutes, 4 hour, daily. It depends on how much time you can give. Let's say why you need to trade on 15 minutes, why you should trade on 4 hour. See, every time frame comes with certain kind of what I can say pattern, like certain kind of condition. What is the condition is that if it is so first of all, why should you trade 4 hour? The first thing could be that if you wanna spend only little time in trading, that could be one good point. Second point could be that you wanna make more money spending less time. Another point. The reason is, on 4 hour trading, you just sit 15 minutes earlier the candle close, and then 15 minutes later, and then you gone. Okay, you set the pending order and forget it. Another thing is that maybe you do something else, but only that time you specifically focus on trading, and then you forget it. So this could be 4 hour, and also the price action is more reliable. The reason is because there is a huge volume in it. Okay, now 15 minutes also reliable. When you see this kind of, you see this is a bullish price action and the price is definitely pushing up. Okay, now I would definitely buy this kind of candle, but the reason I'm not buying, because there is a news release, okay, and there could be a spike, and I don't want to stop out. But when you see this pattern, this is same in all time frame, 4 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, daily. Okay, as long as you manage your risk properly. Let's say if you buy from here, stop loss below this low, take profit at least 1 to 2 or 3, you are good to go in any time frame, unless there is no news release. Okay, now let me explain this one here. When you see this kind of pattern even in 15 minutes, how do you trade it? See, couple of things important here to look at. Okay, number one, first thing you will do that where it is from, area of value. Okay, area of value. If you look at even 15 minutes, now what is area of value? When you look at area of value, when you are trading in even 15 minutes, you need to look at the bigger picture. Go to the daily. Okay, daily and 4 hour. Now on the daily, you see this level. Let's see if it is an area of value. Okay, first of all, there is a support here. It didn't come yet. Okay, then what sense it is area of value? See, there is another one here. So one confluence could be, go to the Fibonacci there, because there are many kind of traders use different kind of tools. If you take your Fibonacci from the high to the low, so what you see that the price just above this 38.2. so this is one confluence of area of value, that Fibonacci. It still didn't come. I think that the price will come back again during this news release, complete this 38.2 and could go up. So one confluence of area of value is Fibonacci. Okay, now go to the 4 hour time frame. Now you find more area of value. Why? See, this 2 doji on the 4 hour time frame is a high area of value. Okay, so the price is just above this area of value. You found the area of value. Now go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now look at the past. You see there is a strong rejection here, strong long wick candle, right? And then after this long wick candle, the price created this big move to the upside in 15 minutes, came back to the same zone. Let's draw a zone here with this long wick candle. You see, that's how you will analyze, understand price action. Okay, you see this long wick candle. I have a completely separated video on long wick candle on gold, but it can be applicable in any instrument. As you can see, look at this here in the past. You see there is a wickless candle in 15 minutes. Always look at the past, look at the left. Okay, there is a wickless candle on 15 minutes, and from this same level there is a big move to the upside. The price came to the same zone, you see, created this long wick candle, and then the price pushed the upside. So this strategy, you can say the support and resistance, supply and demand zone strategy. Okay, now what happened? Look at this. The same zone, in the same zone the price came. Here it created a long wick candle. It's a reversal. Here it created a wickless candle. It's a reversal. Here it created a double bottom formation. That's it. Okay, now you found the double bottom. After this double bottom, what happened? See, with this red candle, the price came here, tested this previous resistance as a support, and then pushing to the upside. Okay, so if there is no, see, when you are trading in 15 minutes, always keep in mind the timing is very, very important. That's why 4 hour is so, 4 hour daily, you may not care about timing much, because it's a one session full. But when you are trading in 15 minutes, you be very careful about timing. What is timing? Let's say when you are trading, what is your trading time? Like, you are trading in Asian session, you are trading in London session, you are trading in New York session, you are trading in before candle close, after candle close, you are trading just after a 4 hour candle close, when this 4 hour candle has closed, you are trading just before news release. These are the key points you need to keep in mind when you are trading in 15 minutes. Not all about price action plus timing, very important. See, if you see this kind of pattern, this kind of reversal pattern, just last session of the weekend, that means today, last session, that's a good trade. But if you see this kind of pattern on the first session of the Asian session, could be a good trade. Why? Because last session of the New York session, that means that when you see reversal, it is reversing, high probability. When you see this kind of reversal pattern on the first session of the Asian session, first week of the, not first session of the Asian session, pardon me, first day of the trading week, Monday in Sydney, in your zone could be another day, and the first session, that's a high probability that the price is reversing. But in the middle, you need to look at other factors. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. You see, after 30 minutes there will be news release, but looks like that the price is now trying to push down, and I think that it will break this low. And if it does, okay, if it breaks down here, and then even I might jump onto 5 minutes to find a reversal pattern to take a big move to the upside. Okay, let's see what happened, and we'll go through it over and over and over again. So I hope that you are enjoying this 15 minutes analysis and learning from it how you can become a trader profitable. Charles says Usdjpy. Yeah, Usdjpy also giving us a good trading opportunity. Let me quickly show you Sandy Mohela. Yep, Sandy MD Nozrul. I think you are mainly teaching us. Thank you, Nazrul. No problems. Jazdil, Eurojpy, please. Yep, we'll look at it. Eurojpy looks bullish. Asuk Sumon, Gbpusd, Dante, grandson. I don't have another job apart from trading, but I prefer daily and weekly trade. Very good. Very good. Premo, Eurocad is still bearish. Yeah, Chidittu say something about NZUSD master. Of course. So Alexandra, Eurocad and Euro CHF. So let's see further what's happening with other pairs that you guys and girls are requesting. Let's find out NZD USD. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, looks like, let me see bigger picture, weekly. Okay, so weekly NZD USD has created another bearish candle. Okay, and let me see monthly. Okay, monthly also we saw that NZD USD tested the previous support as a resistance. See, these are the things that you need to look at. So because if you see an imbalance, then there is a chance that it will go to fill this imbalance. But NZD USD looks like that it has tested this. You see, this is the monthly price action, looks like bearish. This is the monthly candle, and we saw that a strong bearish candle on NZD USD closed as a strong bearish candle, breaking all this level of support. Okay, now what happened after the monthly close? NZD USD went above, tested this previous monthly support as a resistance, and then we saw a rejection to the downside. So now let's see on the weekly what happened. This is the situation with the weekly. The price went above, tested this support as a resistance, and then dropped. Daily, okay, on the daily we found a nice bearish engulfer here. Okay, we found a nice bearish engulfer. From here we saw a drop, but the thing is that at any point, even you could see go up, went above, tested this 20 period moving average, and then dropping. Could be next week, or because I don't think that NZD USD will just drop like that, because that's what I see. The price normally creates a pattern, a structure, and then drop after after it is extended to the, from here you could expect like that, because here the price above. Now it has already broken all this level of support, and from here we may see, but I think that it may not drop here, it will go up again. Okay, let's see on the 4 hour. Okay, so on the 4 hour the price broke this level of support, now trying to create a consolidation. So let's see. To be honest, still I'm not sure what might happen with NZD USD. It might go up again. I think it might go up here, and maybe it will create a pattern like that. Okay, so let's see. We'll see later what happened with NZD USD. I'll keep you updated every time I see a price action. So let's see dollar yen USD JPY, what it is doing. Okay, now USD JPY, to me it's bullish. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame. Let's see daily. Okay, daily we saw that there is a bullish engulfer formed yesterday, last day of the yesterday. Today, as soon as market opened, we saw primarily bullish momentum, but during this news release, if dollar yen come back down here, okay, then I might consider opening buying opportunity. We already placed a pending order around this zone. So if it triggers because it has a wider stop loss, and I think even during this news release, if the market is too much volatile, even it could come down to this testing this previous resistance as a support here. Okay, in dollar yen, and then may go up. So dollar yen, to me, that it is still bullish, and this is 4 hour time frame. I'm waiting really to test this 20 period moving average, even coming down, and then to pick up. That's what I love. I want to take the maximum advantage. As you have seen that in dollar yen, last week I have taken a good trade on it with 1 to 3 risk to reward, and you guys and girls also made good money out of it from this live trading, the live session we have given. So dollar yen is bullish, and you see that. Let's see the overall picture. Okay, monthly, go to the monthly. Dollar yen is a really strongly bullish market. Okay, and it's all-time high, and even it could explode to the upside. Dollar yen, okay, it could explode to the upside. When you see that the price is all-time high, you see there is nothing in the left. Okay, there's nothing in the left side, and in some cases you will see that it's just exploding like that before reversing. Okay, so with that being said, we might see that dollar yen just exploding to the upside, and if it does, let's see how we can understand it. Weekly, nice. See, this is what exactly I told in my weekly forex forecast, that dollar yen first will go up, will come down from the middle of this doji and it will go up again, and the price did exactly as it is. You can review my weekly forex forecast. This is the first pair I have analyzed in my weekly forex forecast. Don't forget to watch that to see how it did, so that you also understand how price really react in this market situation. Now daily, you see, daily dollar yen market, I really love this market to trade. Trust me, I love this kind of market. It's a nice trending market. And see, today in my moving average video, you definitely have seen that. If you haven't seen that, don't miss it. Free video on YouTube. See, dollar yen is respecting 10 period moving average every time. Look at this. It's a nice signal, guys and girls. Look at this dollar yen, how nicely dollar yen respecting 10 period moving average. Okay, so what did I say in this video on YouTube today? I have posted that when you see a market respecting a particular moving average, you'll see that it will repeat, and that's what it is. See, it's a nice uptrending market respecting this 10 period, pushed up, came back down, respected this 10 period moving average, pushed up, came back down, respected this 10 period moving average, and now pushing up. Okay, so now where you can enter, what I'm waiting to enter is, you see there is a doji here. The price normally come back to this kind of area of value, and during this high impact news release, you see, let me show you something where I can enter a trade. Today's low is this, right? This is today's low. Let me tell you an entry. So today's, okay, so this is today's low. Okay, this is where the market lowest point came on dollar yen, and this is the 130.10. okay, now in this news release, what I think that dollar yen will do, basically dollar yen will come back down. You see, the 20 period on the 4-hour time frame, 20 period moving average is just, this is the daily low. And what it will do, I think, high probability in my experience, that what I have seen, it may not do, but what it could do after 15 minutes during this news release, it might come down here, break this daily low, test this 20 period moving average, okay, test this 50% of this week, okay, even come along this trend line, and then we'll push it up. I think so. Okay, because it's a bullish market. Now you have known the territory where can to do. So what I will do, as soon as dollar yen will come here, I will go to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame to see how the price action is forming in this zone. As soon as I will see a reversal pattern on 5 minutes or in 15 minutes, then I will buy dollar yen, keeping a narrow stop loss, maybe how many pip, maybe 8 pip, 9 pip, and I will set my profit target here. Okay, target here. So if I am right, then I will risk, say, let's say 8 pip or 10 pip, and I will target at least 97 pip. Smash the like button now, okay, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. You see what happened? Suddenly I saw a spike. Is this 4-hour time frame? Let me see, 5 minutes. Suddenly I saw a spike. I didn't see that long wick here. You saw? I saw the wick is here. In a second I saw a spike to the downside, or maybe spread widening. I don't know. I didn't see that much long wick. Maybe I just was looking at something else. Anyway, so it looks like that in the next 15 minutes, you see the price action is forming. So let's now stay in the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, keep the support here, so let's focus on a couple of pairs that will give us a good trading opportunity during this NFP in this news release. and then we'll buy, okay, in this live trading session. Let the news release, let the spike to happen to the downside, and I will be waiting here in this 15 minutes or 5 minutes, and I'm gonna be buyer on dollar yen if it does, because you see this zone is really important zone. You see there is a resistance here, important level of resistance, and this resistance acted as a support. See, this called a mirror level. Keep in mind, mirror level are very important. Many people even don't recognize this. So what is a mirror level? Let me explain quickly. It's very important that you recognize that whatever time frame you are trading, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, weekly, mirror level is, let's say a price went above, came down, okay, created a level, right, and then went above, came down, broke this level, again went above. Now this previous support now acting as a resistance, and when you see the price bounced from here, that's called a mirror level. That means that the level has been mirrored. What you have seen here is creating here as well. So mirror level are very strong, and the big boys, hedge funds, banks, they normally love to trade mirror level. Okay, so with that being said, dollar yen, we see that in this 15 minutes time frame there is a mirror level here, okay, resistance, support, and I will be waiting for this price to come back to this mirror level, and then I will be a buyer with dollar yen. So let's see what else we have to trade in this NFP. Go to the USD CAD. You saw USD CAD on the 15 minutes has created a bearish engulfer, and I think that during this news release in next 12 minutes this candle will come down, okay, as expected, and this one will be my area of value for buying USD CAD. So you see there is a long wick candle here, support. There is also a wickless candle here, support, and if in case this level is broken, that could be a nice buy for USD CAD. And I think that today is the last day of trading week, right? Go to the weekly, what might happen. I think that, you know what will happen, not 100% sure, but high probability. Nothing is guaranteed in trading, okay? I can't guarantee you anything in trading, but what I say all, you see weekly, see, this is what also exactly told in my weekly forex forecast, that USD CAD will come back to this gap level, and exactly the price came here, tested this gap level, and then pushed up, right, on USD CAD. Now at this point, see, this is the weekly candle, right? We are looking at 15 minutes, but this is weekly candle, and what happened that USD CAD now pushing up, right? So what it will do, I think that it will come back down during this news release and will go up again, will close somewhere here as a doji or somewhere here as a doji. So what then, how we can trade? Go back to 15 minutes again on USD CAD. Let's see what happened now. What I am waiting is a spike to the downside, okay, breaking this maybe along this support. Let me draw this level of support on USD CAD. So okay, in between, let me delete this one here, okay. So this is one level, 1.2814. there could be another level here, okay, all right, 1.2809, okay. So if USD CAD come back to this in between this zone, high probability will come. It's a good place to place a buy order, keeping stop loss below this low, targeting here, okay, targeting here, all right, holding the trade for longer period of time. Let's see, but if it doesn't come here, then we'll find an entry opportunity on the middle. Let's see how we can find a good entry opportunity on USD CAD. So this is with USD CAD. Gold doing the same thing, bullish, looks like it's bullish, and it will also come down, will break, and then will push up, okay. So GBP AUD, I got a request for GBP AUD. Let's see 4 hour first, okay. GBP AUD, let me see bigger time frame, okay. This is the daily GBP AUD. Looks like it's still bearish, okay, and what it might do, let me tell you today what it might do. This is weekly, right? What it might do, it will come to this zone today, I think, to this level of support, and maybe from there we might see a bounce. So go to the 4 hour now. Okay, so let me see what it is. This is the 4 hour on Gbp AUD, right? So what it might do, it's not a good market to trade at this point. I think that it will go up, test this 20 period moving average today. At some point during the volatility of the market will come down here and then will go up again. Okay, so this could be the luck of USD CAD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD. So go to the 15 minutes if you are trading on 15 minutes, and that's where it is. So GBP AUD, you see this is still bullish pattern on 15 minutes on GBP AUD, and you see the price is creating a higher low. That's how you will read the market structure. You see higher high. So the price is moving along this channel, and it will do something like that, I think, and then from here will reverse, okay, to this level, and then will push up. So on 15 minutes looks like it's still bullish, okay, still bullish. Let's see what happened. Pardon me, let me see on the 4 hour. Yeah, it might go up again after the, during the news release, if it breaks down here, then it will go up. As I told you, if during the news release, if it goes up, then finally will come down. Let me explain again on 15 minutes GBP AUD. If during this news release, if GBP AUD managed to come back to this level, then you will see a bullish move to the upside finally. If during this news release, if GBP finally go up first, and then it will come down again. That's how I map the market based on timing as well as price action pattern. So let me see who is on the chat. Mila, thank you. Good morning, Nizam. Cat JPY, please. Yeah, John, we know that news in 15 minutes. Thank you for reminding us. I think it's only 7 minutes now. Bull Rider, hi. Bull Rider, thank you. Please tell view of natural gas. We'll talk about it. Thank you. In the meantime, if you haven't smashed the like button yet, do it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because this channel always helping every traders to become independent and profitable. So take that opportunity. Every day I am here in live streaming, as well as every day I'm posting educational content, because I can't live without trading. I can't live without trading, giving education, trading. Even no one is watching my video, I will post, because it's my passion. When something comes from heart, it becomes outstanding. So also you create from heart. I know that every one of you likes trading very much, and I really love to spend time with you, because as a trader I feel passionate to spend time with you. So SM Abu Bakr, please say something about gold. Yep, we'll talk about Kakulan. 102 watching but only 29 likes. No problem, Kakulan. Everyone likes from their heart, but sometimes people forget to smash the like button. Build Rider, yeah. So every day this channel, you saw that the everyday view is rising. Today 102 watch together cross. So it's people are finding value in it, and I really happy that you guys are finding value in it, you guys and girls, and that's why I'm really passionate about this trading channel, this educational program. So let's see, first of all, let's go to our trading things. So Aussie dollar, you see this is Aussie dollar. Let me see something. Looks like it is also creating a bullish pattern. I think that, you see, this is the weekly. Today I was looking at the Aussie dollar weekly. I think that Aussie dollar will push up again. Overall, Aussie dollar is it's now bullish. The reason is fundamental also playing a big role in Aussie dollar. The interest rate increased, and I think if you see that this is the weekly candle and the price has created, you see the price has created a higher high on the weekly time frame, and it's trying to create a shooting star on this level of support. And I think that Aussie dollar, what it is doing is this, you see, this pattern is creating Aussie dollar. Okay, so this is a dynamic support, right? It's a nice dynamic support, and this is weekly chart. We will go to the lower time frame. This is the dynamic support, and I think that Aussie dollar will finally pick up like that. Okay, creating new higher high or testing this week again. So that could be a bigger move on Aussie dollar. So let's see now daily time frame how Aussie dollar is doing. Let's find out. Aussie dollar, okay, so I think it will go up again, come down again. It will consolidate for certain period of time. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour situation. Price came here. Let's see now 15 minutes, because it's a volatile market. Let's look at the 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes, you see that the price has created a bullish pattern just after 3 minutes news release, but this is a bullish pattern on 15 minutes. Smash the like button. This is a nice bullish pattern, and after the news release, I think that if Aussie dollar create a candle like that, come down here, will come down, I think, and then if it picks up, I would love to trade Aussie dollar. Okay, so let's see, we'll take only one USD trade because we don't want to double up couple of USD trade and mess up in trading. Rather, we will be sticking. This is the 15 minutes time frame. As I told you on USD CAD, this is our chart on USD CAD, and let's see how it is doing. USD CAD creating a double bottom here, but it didn't still come to the hot zone that we are expecting. News is trying to create, and one thing I normally saw in most cases, you'll see that if the first spike go to the upside, chances that the price will come back again and then will go up. Okay, so if the first spike go up, the price normally does like this: the first spike to the upside, second spike to the downside, and then finally goes up. Okay, so looks like that it's piling up for the upward movement. USD CAD. So let's see, dollar yen, USD CAD, two are the most hot pairs that I will be looking for trading. So these are the two zones that I will be waiting for buying, dollar yen and USD CAD. Okay, in both cases, USD is very, very strong against CAD as well as against yen. Against yen is really strong. It's a very, very long term bullish candlestick pattern, bullish trend. Also GBP JPY, you see GBP JPY, as I told you, this is the level of support. We have drawn it, and on the 15 minutes time frame, if we see that this pairs, you see GBP JPY has created a nice head and shoulder. I think for coming back to this, we are fishing here on GBP JPY to our bait, so that it can catch the fish. We can catch the fish. So let's see what happened. News is almost there. Let's see how it impact overall market, and then we will be deciding how we can trade. So quickly, look at the Euro CAD and some other pairs you guys and girls are requesting. Euro CAD reverse from here. Okay, it reversed from here. Looks like that Euro CAD will be bullish. Let's see daily. Looks like that Euro CAD is trying to change its trend. I think it will change its trend. It created a reversal pattern. Instead of pushing down, it started to, this is the daily chart on Euro CAD, and I think that it is now trying to be bullish. Euro CAD daily looks like that it might broke up, or at least to this level, and then we might see drop, but looking like it is trying to change its trend. AUD CAD. So AUD CAD daily, let's see 4 hour. Okay, so see AUD CAD and AUD USD has created the same kind of pattern. Okay, so Aussie dollar, same kind of pattern, Euro dollar. So let's go to the 15 minutes again to see how this is creating a pattern. Euro dollar, You see dollar is getting weaker, so euro is getting stronger. Okay, CAD melted down. As I told you, CAD started to melt down, so came to the zone. Let's the market first settle, and then we will consider what we will do. Let's see dollar yen, what it is doing. Okay, dollar yen also coming. Come. We need this kind of things, that as I told you. You see, as soon as the this candle closed as a bearish engulfer, next one came down. So dollar yen, I want dollar yen to come down to this to our level of support here, testing this 20 period moving average. So this top of the triangle is where the 20 period on the 4 hour, and also this support is the daily low. Let's keep in mind. That's how you'll do when you'll first draw a level and a pattern on the higher time frame, and then go back to the lower time frame to see how you can do that. So you see that dollar yen now trying to first it spiked to the downside. It might go up again and come down. It will there is a very volatility now in the market. As you can see that this is ADP, non-farm employment change. So non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, employment change, RBA monetary policy state it's yesterday. So CAD and USD are the main pairs that's releasing news. So let's see NZD CAD. So looks like that. Let's see gold. Okay, gold also creating on the 15 minutes a bullish pattern, but it might spike to the downside. I think that's why I'm waiting, but it has opened with a gap on 15 minutes. Okay, it has opened with a gap. You see there is a gap opening on the 15 minutes, but at this point I would not recommend to trade at all, because it's a very volatile market. Don't even think of opening a position. Every market structure is not valid in this situation. Okay, USD CAD, you see, look at this, what happened exactly. Came to the area of value. Okay, tested it, this area of value, support. You see the zone. This is called the power of support and resistance. You saw that before we saw the high impact news release. I draw this level of support. The price came exactly to that and then went above, but it doesn't mean that it will retain, but at least we will find a level. If we buy later, we know that what is the where we can place our stop loss is safely. If we find the direction, and if we find a level where we can place our stop loss, it's good for us to buy. So looks like that area of value that has been tested, and the price may retain within this zone. So go to the 4 hour to see USD CAD. You see USD CAD basically broke all this level. You see all this level of let me draw this one on the 4 hour. You see all the doji, and just from this doji USD CAD grabbed the liquidity and then now moved up. So let's see 15 minutes now again. Okay, so let me see the news release. Let me refresh the page to see how the news has released. So all the news released, CAD employment change 15.5k, which is less, that's why it's red. Unemployment rate 5.2% expected, and really same. Average hourly earnings 0.3 less. So ADP non-farm employment change 420k. It's good, more jobs in this time frame, and unemployment rate 3.6%, a little more. So let's see how it is impacting the pairs. So USD CAD, okay, wait for this news release, wait for the candle to be closed. So because it came already to the down after this 15 minutes, let's see what happened. If it closed as a doji, maybe we might find the next one coming down again halfway, and from there we might see a push to the upside. So let's see, we might enter a trade based on how, let's see hourly as well, to see what kind of price action it is creating. And I think that You see, nice from the nice place, the price just from this level of support, the price pushed up. Let's see what happened on the 4 hour. Okay, so this is basically, as I told you, it is a bullish market structure. Okay, it's a highly bullish market structure. I want to see that you see the price created a very important level of support, and from here the price is, let's see USD ZAR what it is doing. We have seen USD ZAR as well, providing a nice structure. USD ZAR and USD Mexican peso. Okay, USD ZAR is doing the same as I told you. You see, there is a very important level of support we have drawn. In the past, it acted as resistance here, support here. Now the price is coming to the same level, and I think that it will pick up from here. Okay, USD ZAR. So let's see 15 minutes time frame. Okay, we saw that, you see, on the 15 minutes the price breaking down. If we see a reversal pattern here, it's a good buy opportunity. If in case if it comes down here, or if it could go up here, or go down further. But if we see enough price action confirmation from here, then we might consider going long with USD ZAR. USD ZAR, let's see what else. We have to see first how the price action is forming. NZD CAD creating a bullish pattern, NZD USD. So NZD getting stronger so far. Still you can't say 100%, because you see during the news the price will move up and down. You don't know where the candle will close, the first 4 hour candle. Once the candle is closed, then we will know actually what's gonna happen. Okay, we need a long wick candle to trade USD CAD or dollar yen. We need a long wick candle like that, then we can buy. Okay, we'll buy from the long wick candle. Let's see dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen as expected, I want it to fall down. Let's see GBP JPY. Let's do our short list. GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY still didn't break down. I want it to break down to this level of support. Let's see 4 hour. GBP JPY, already we have seen a long wick candle here. I think that if this 4 hour candle closes as a doji, we could find a nice buying opportunity. Okay, keeping stop loss below this low, take profit, keeping target here. Okay, could give us a good trading opportunity in GBP JPY. So let's see dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, this is 4 hour. Okay, still daily low has not been broken with dollar yen. Let's see 15 minutes. It's 5 minutes remaining for this 15 minutes candle to be closed. So let's see how it does. If in case dollar yen create a bullish candle here on the 15 minutes, next 15 minutes we could be able to buy dollar yen, and then we can keep our stop loss below this low, take profit maybe 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 rigs to reward. That's what we will do. Dollar yen, let's see what happened. But I'm really passionate. You see gold also bullish. Let's first the storm to be stopped. Don't run in the storm, so that you can stay safe. So let's see in the meantime what you guys and girls are writing on the chat. And GBP CAD and Euro USD kindly. Yeah, we'll do what currency good to trade after news. I think that USD CAD, dollar yen could be good to trade, but most of the pairs whoever giving trading opportunity is good to trade. Malachi, Euro USD, Dante, NFP bullish. Yeah, Mari sir, USD CAD is going down now on 15 minutes. Yeah, that's true. You wrote before, but we have seen that. Thank you for mentioning. Kakulan, one minute missing. Okay, 3 minutes for NFP. Yeah, Kakulan, I think you wrote it before. Khalid, Euro CAD. Yeah, Khalid, thank you. Bumaya, USD CNHS sir. Yeah, we'll do Bumaya. USD CNHS sometime I love to trade because it's a very volatile. Let's see daily. Okay, nice bullish engulfer. USD CNHF, you see, it's now a very bullish, it's now coming to a buy position. So if today USD CNHS break this level, it's a nice buy position, so if this one breaks here, it might come to test this. There is a, you see, this is the trend line. Okay, resistance here, there is a reversal pattern here. That's what it does, reversal pattern. And then in this reversal pattern, there is a resistance acted as a support, now acting as a support, and from here could be a nice buy opportunity for USD CNHF. USD CNHF changed its long-term downtrend to the uptrend now. If you look at the monthly, it's now a bullish market. Okay, and it will likely that USD CNHS will trouble to this level. Why? Because you see there is a reversal pattern here, and this support has not been tested yet, so we could take a big push to the upside on USD CNHS. I'm waiting for a nice entry opportunity on USD CNHF. Let's see how it does. USD CNHF, this red candle could act as a nice level of support here. Okay, so let the candle close. Okay, USD CNHS, I would love to trade. Let this candle close first above this zone. It's a nice bullish market structure on USD CNHS. If you see that there is a resistance here, there is a resistance here, there is a resistance here, and this is the level of support acting, and from here we can consider buying USD CNHF. Smash the like button if you haven't done yet, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Every day in the same time I do live streaming, live trading session, I post analysis, free content, and as well as you can visit my website. Everything you can learn from me, and my goal is to help traders as well as enjoy my trading. So let's find out what else. Euro dollar, let's see what euro dollar is doing. So LD said euro dollar, thank you LD. Wakas Khan, take a trade. Okay, yeah, Wakas Khan, very good. Bipan, thank you Bipan. Kingsley, GBP CHF. So Kingsley, we are currently focusing on the pairs that is releasing news. After that we might find a good trading opportunity. So we are basically focusing on USD and CAD pairs. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Gold, USD, CAD, dollar yen, to see possible trading opportunity. Dollar yen now pushing up, so it did its job actually. Dollar yen, it did its job. Now closing as a nice pin bar. You see, this is the pin bar. Dollar yen is closing. Let me see how this is the 15 minutes time frame. Dollar yen closing as a nice pin bar, breaking to the upside, and that is what we expected, isn't it? But I think that if this cannot break to the upside, it will come for another push and then will go. Okay, in case if it breaks this trend line on 15 minutes, okay, then I will wait to close another candle, and then I will place a pending order here for on the retest of this previous resistance as a support, and I'll place my stop loss here, and I'll take 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade or more. So let's see what happened, what dollar yen does. We see that after 15 minutes dollar yen did exactly as it is, as we discussed. So let's see how it does. Okay, so nice bearish engulfer as expected. I think it is doing in the USD CAD as well, isn't it? Let's see. Okay, yeah, it did the USD CAD exactly from this where you said. So let's see. I think that it might come for another push, or it might, let me see on the 4 hour how it is doing. So let's see. I think it's, let me see if we can buy USD CAD or dollar yen. Let me see. Dollar yen could be better buy than USD CAD. Let it come down again. It will come down again. Okay, it will come down again, and then we'll buy. Okay, it looks like it will come down again. Okay, Okay, it will even break this level here and then we'll go up. Then we'll consider buying dollar yen or USD CAD. If it doesn't come, if it closes as a bullish as a shooting star here, then also we'll buy. Let's this 4-hour candle to be closed, and then we'll consider longing dollar yen. Okay, let's see dollar yen or USD CAD. Let's find out what it does, and I will continue this session until this candle, this 4-hour candle close, so that we know that you know the updates. Make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe if you haven't done yet. Mila asked for CAD JPY. Let's see CAD JPY. I think we didn't shortlist it, but let's do it. Watch list. Let's find out CAD JPY. Where is CAD? This is the CAD JPY. So looks like CAD JPY. I think both are getting weaker, Mila, and I'll not be interested on CAD JPY. Looks like a bullish pattern because JPY is very weaker, but the trend, you see, this is a very weak trend. It's going in a narrow channel, trading in the narrow range, but it could break out to the upside. The price action is bullish. Okay, the price action is bullish, but still not a good entry point. Rather, I would love to trade dollar yen. You see dollar yen and USD CAD. Okay, dollar yen and USD CAD. Let this 15 minutes candle to be closed, and in this 15 minutes candle we might see first this, let this one to be broken, and then we can place a pending order here. Okay, because the price should come back again to this level of, you see, this is the trend line on 15 minutes time frame. The price created this this channel and then created, this is what it does always, the price, you see there is a false breakout with this channel, with this green candle. You see the price created this pin bar from this channel, created a false breakout, and then the price now pushing up, right? So what might happen after the candle close? The price will come back again. So don't be impatient. That's what you need to understand in trading. The price will come, even this candle, the price can come back again, even to this zone, again to this level. Okay, and from here it could pick up. Okay, so even so now we have got a level from dollar yen to buy, right? We have found a level for stop loss. It's very important that where you place your stop loss, the first thing you need to know that. And to know that, see dollar yen, now if you even put a stop loss here below this, like say 130.10, it could be a good buy, isn't it? Even at this point, if we buy, I'm not buying now, but I'm saying that if we buy from here, stop loss below this line, let's say 50 pip risk could give us, you can hold the trade for infinite period of time, because dollar yen could explode to the upside next week, could be a good buy opportunity. But as I'm not trading yet, I'm just telling for educational purpose, because we have seen a bullish pin bar here. So let's see, I think that the price will come back again to this zone to test this week, this long week. Maybe we'll possibly create a head and shoulder here, and inverted head and shoulder, and then could rise up, okay, from here like that. So let's see what happened. Dollar yen, what does do? This is 15 minutes time frame, because the market is volatile, so we are looking at 15 minutes. USD CAD shoot to the upside, started to move without any question. That's what it is doing now its job. USD CAD is pushing, but I want this 4-hour candle to be closed. After this close, then we might consider going long with USD CAD. First let it close, because the price will come back again to test this level, okay, at least to this level, and then we can buy USD CAD. Always be patient on trading. It's very important that you stay patient. Patience is the key in trading. Let's see USD ZAR. Chadrick says, okay, let's find out USD gold. If you can please see close long position. Thank you for USD CNHF. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's see gold, what's happening. Let's find out gold. Okay, gold is dropping because, as I told you, gold will spike to the downside as USD is getting stronger, gold is getting weaker. And let me see on the daily. Okay, daily as well, we saw a spike to the upside, but finally gold is still bearish, isn't it? You saw the price tested this 20 period moving average and then rejected. Today tried to push the price high, now pushing down. Let's see hourly. Okay, so on the hourly, we saw that gold is creating a bearish pin bar. You saw the price broke above, tested this previous support as resistance. You see, this is a very, very important thing you need to keep in mind. In the gold, this is the hourly chart. The price has created double top, broke down, went above, tested this previous support as resistance and dropping. So after this hourly close, we might expect gold to drop a little further. Maybe it will remain in this zone, okay, but it's still bearish. Okay, gold is still bearish. Let me see the 15 minutes. So here now bearish on the 15 minutes. Let me see the weekly, where weekly candle will close. I think that gold will just trade in, and close will be around this zone, as a like maybe around this zone. Okay, so gold is not now currently good position to trade. I would love to trade more on USD CAD and dollar yen. Okay, these two are very good pairs now at this point to trade. Okay, Aussie yen went above, now coming down. So let's see what's happening with Usdjpy. Okay, Usdjpy strongly now pushing up. Okay, it's a bullish market. It broke the daily's low. You see exactly where I told the price came, broke it, and then it started to push up. Now good place for buying dollar yen. Let this candle to be closed, and as soon as this candle will close, you see how the price is pushing up. The price should come down again, okay, to test this, and then at this point I will consider buying dollar yen. But looks like a very, very highly bullish now at this point, dollar yen. Okay, so let's see. Don't experience FOMO. You see, this is the hourly chart. The price broke the previous hour's low and then closing as a bullish engulfer. But when you see this kind of pattern is broken, this is the hourly chart. Okay, the price should come down again to test this previous support as resistance. And I have already pending order, which is here. Okay, which has not been triggered. Let me check. Even I haven't looked at my pending order has triggered or no, because I'm busy in my trading. Let me check. Okay, has not been triggered because our pending order is well below. No problem. So what I will do is I will place another pending order along this zone. Okay, around say 130. 130.55 could be a good buying opportunity for dollar yen. This is hourly chart, keeping a stop loss below this low. Okay, and take profit maybe 1 to 3 could be a good buying opportunity for dollar yen. So let's see, it has created a bullish price action after 5 minutes. This candle is closing as expected, as starting of the session. This is what I told, and I sincerely believe that everyone you found value in this live trading session. So I'm going to end this session soon with a good trading opportunity on dollar yen. So my recommended trade will be dollar yen. That's what I will do. But I have to see how I have to see this 4-hour candle to be closing. Okay, this is a good buy opportunity for dollar yen, and we might see another push down. No one knows, even testing this 20 period moving average. So what I will do in dollar yen trade, I will place my stop loss below all this low, because this is the weekend and I will hold that trade over the weekend, and I don't want during the weekend the price will come and hit my stop loss. Instead I want to keep maybe a bit low risk to reward, but I will keep my stop loss here, and I will keep at least 1 to 2 risks to reward on dollar yen. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you want to check out my mentorship program, the link in the description area, you can check out. It's up to you. If you want to stay with this free channel, no problem. Every day I'm coming here for you with you to trade. And I'm really thank you all of you for joining this live trading session, for making my channel enrich by subscribing and being present in this channel. Thank you. I'll see you on Monday in live trading session, and keep eye. Tomorrow I will be releasing my weekly forex forecast, as well as I'll be releasing some more educational content, maybe probably about pending order, which is very important. And don't forget to watch my today's video on moving average. You will find a lot of value in it. Thank you. Let me quickly look at what you guys have written on the chat. DXY Samuel, so you can say that dollar is increasing, so DXY is increasing. Euro USD place, yeah, we have checked most of them. Please, what do you use confirmation by for our placing trade? Okay, I'll discuss tomorrow. Hello, when you say pending order is a buy stop or buy limit, it could be buy limit, buy limit. Okay, so that's it. That's for today. Thank you. Have a good weekend, Mary. We'll see you on Monday. Thank you.